Hello everyone and welcome to another video from the Tesla Geek series, where we take a look at all the Tesla news and fundamentals in one video and try to get a better idea about the entire Tesla ecosystem. As always, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more future Tesla content to come. And also you can find all the links to those articles in the video description, so you can check it yourself as well. Now, starting things off, we have an update on the last week's episode where I talked about the Fremont factory shutdown, which happened on February 22nd and 23rd. There was some misunderstanding because someone told that the Model 3 line would be shut down from February 22nd to March 7th. However, that would be 2 weeks, so it was really long, and Elon Musk responded on February 25th that the factory is running again and now it has reached the full power again. Also, we can see on these photos there are plenty of cars, so Tesla is producing cars left and right and cannot quickly get them out of the car park, so that's a great news. Also, they took this opportunity to do some necessary service and upgrade some equipment. In another news, we have Elon Musk confirming that the standard range cars will now have the lithium iron phosphate batteries, which are much cheaper than the nickel-based ones, which are the lithium ion cells. As you know, there is plenty of iron on Earth, and also the lithium itself is one of the most common elements in the universe and certainly on Earth. So that means probably lowering costs for Tesla or getting higher margins. However, still the faster models, which are now called the Plaid models, are gonna be using the lithium ion batteries with the nickel. Also, speaking of nickel and batteries, Tesla has a kind of a deal in taking over Vale's plant in New Caledonia, which would make for a sustainable nickel supply. If you don't know, New Caledonia is just next to Australia in the South Pacific. So according to the agreement, Tesla would become a technical partner for the future plant, and in addition, Vale is to set its 420 million worth of mining rights to the southern province, which is then to lease them to the future operator. That's kind of funny. So despite shifting the focus for the standard range vehicles towards the LFP batteries, Tesla is still searching for new suppliers and means to access these rare metals for the rest of the range. Also, continuing the battery theme, we have some new construction at Giga Berlin, which may become a battery factory, because in late December 2020 Tesla filed a construction application in order to build another facility there, and now they started digging a pit. And also Elon Musk mentioned that 100 gigawatts of annual cell production is possible for the German battery plant, but it's not the limit. He can even see it expanding to 200 or 250 gigawatt hours, and he's pretty sure that that would make it the largest battery factory in the world. So Giga Berlin seems it's not gonna be just for the cars, but also for batteries. And on the note of expanding factories, there is the rumor that Tesla bought a large piece of land next to the Giga Shanghai factory to expand on the EV production. It is not yet known who is the owner, but no matter what, this site would cost the owner a little over $1 billion. So with the Tesla's balance sheet, that's entirely possible, and this would actually make a lot of sense because the Tesla Shanghai factory exports to the whole world and is probably gonna continue to do so even with the rumored new 25 grand model, which is likely in development at the moment at the Giga Shanghai. So this could really expand on already a large production in the China Giga Shanghai factory. Another news about batteries, Tesla is not stopping with producing just what it's known, but it's also investing in research in a new battery tech in Germany, to be specific with the University of Bayreuth. So maybe we can expect some new patents on batteries in the next few years. And in other news, some blokes from Vienna are working on a tokenized blockchain-based car sharing with Teslas. It basically works with their eLoop 1 tokens, which you would buy. There is, I think, a minimal limit of 100 of those tokens, and then you could profit from this ride sharing. So it's made possible by tokenizing the Tesla Model 3s. They will tokenize 2 Tesla Model 3s, and I think this is really cool and step into the future of blockchain integration. You can maybe see who rented the car before, who is owning the car thanks to the tokenization, and also there is gonna be sharing of the maintenance costs, charging fees, parking fees, insurance, etc., depending on the number of tokens in the ownership. So I think for the individuals it's gonna be quite affordable. And this is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button and subscribe for more Tesla content to come on this channel. And I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!